So my name's Consuelo. I live in Arizona, and this is my father, Jose.
Mi nombre es José y vivo en Arizona.
So I'm the oldest. It's 3 of us total, so it's me, 2 younger brothers. My dad lives currently with my mom and my youngest brother. The oldest, I think I'm used to always having to take the lead with helping him translate everything.
Yo trabajé en construcción.
So prior to his transplant, he did construction work. So built houses basically all his life until he was given the notice to stop working. So all of this happened back in June of 2021, and this was during the summer. He's been working construction. He would complain he would have leg cramps. He had back pain. He never really thought it was anything serious. It wasn't for my mom having him make an appointment to get his physicals that she saw like the color in his skin and his eyes looked off to her. I remember during intake at the hospital, they do their blood pressure, all that. And the nurse was like, when he saw the numbers, he goes, wow. He goes, sir, how are you standing? Are you okay? And he's still fine. Like he's still walking around fine and everything at this point. So that's why everyone was shocked. So they ended up admitting him to the hospital. He stayed there for 3 days, ran all sorts of tests. They started him on dialysis right then and there. Would have situated him with the dialysis center near him. They finally let him go. And basically at that point it was a transplant or dialysis because the function was so low. See how dialysis was hard on him. He had it 3 days a week, and for the entire day that he would have dialysis, he would come home and feel nauseous all day or weak, so he'd just have to lay down. That just wasn't a way of life for him. So all that time that he's on dialysis, I'm going to the doctor's office getting a bunch of blood draws taken to test me because I'm the one that donated the kidney. He knew that I was gonna test, but he didn't know I was approved. So all the nurses knew that I was doing it. He was wondering. He would ask like, have they told you anything or have you heard anything? And I'd be like, no, not yet. Or they're still waiting on something, even though we were like moving along with it. At the beginning of December, I finally got the okay. I didn't tell him until Christmas. We scheduled a transplant for January 31st of this year, 2024. We went in for surgery. He got his transplant, and thankfully, as soon as the kidney was in, it started working. So he was off dialysis. Dual Health has helped us, making everything easy, convenient, being there for us. Like I said, after the transplant, Dual Health came in with frozen meals, which was super helpful because with them getting into the routine of all the meds and stuff that he's now on after transplant, like that helped, and kind of saved my mom with the whole meals, help her focus on my dad instead of things around the house. It's been very easy, like a very easy experience. And then all this with my dad, all the appointments, everything has definitely brought us closer. His main thing is getting back to work.
Me aburrí aquí en la casa.
He said he's bored at home. He was used to always working. His goal is to get better enough to be able to get back to that.